Doing some pressure washing today. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Backwoods Hustle. We are doing some pressure washing today in Bristol, and it's a whole house, the sidewalks and front and back porch. Also pulling some vines off the home as well. My dad's already back here started on it, so we're gonna get at it. Front of the home, it's not even real dirty. The sidewalks they're pretty filthy, so you might see a difference with them by the time we finish. Well, not so much the home. It might look a little cleaner, but I mean, it already looks pretty clean now until you're up close to it. Even the porch is pretty clean. Got sprayed dirt off and stuff. Overall, it's not too bad. Here's some of the vines we pulled out. We'll spray all that off. Gotta pull them vines down. I'm gonna trim some of this mess up and get it out of our way. It's down through here. I was thinking we could get all this done today, but now that I'm looking at it, I don't know. I mean, it's really not that dirty. It's just, I don't know. I guess really the moving along, making sure we get it good and clean, because up close you can see the specks pretty good, and like the black, there's like some black stuff on it. So we're gonna try and get it clean as we can for the customer. Get these vines pulled out of here. Like, we're a very cheap and reasonable company. We don't make the big bucks. We like to help people and do a good job, and you know, I mean, we'll get our worth out of it, but we're definitely the cheapest around by a long shot. We don't rip people off with crazy prices. I mean, we're extremely cheap. But anyway, we stay hustling. We're moving along. I'm over here cleaning up this jungle of a sod. It's looking a lot better already since I cleared this up. Now we gotta get this taken care of. Come through here and trim a lot of this out. Get it out of the way so we can get it sprayed through here. Some vines up on the chimney. Okay, so this one decided to get up underneath the siding. That's gonna be a trick to get out of there without tearing the siding all to heck. That's what happens when you don't keep your trees and bushes trimmed, people. And then you get vines and also the trees and bushes themselves growing into your house, causing a big nuisance. So let's get this thing ripped out of here. So if you look up here before I start pulling, this tree piece that I got off the window there, when you're pulling around to here, goes all the way up into there, and it's under that gutter, which looks like it grew up underneath the gutter. See if we can zoom in on this. Look at that. Like, it's literally grown right up through underneath the gutter behind where the chimney is. That's damn crazy. Okay, so we got another one. This one right here goes all the way up along the inside here, back between that gutter. It goes all the way up into the gutter as well, so I ain't gonna be able to pull on that one neither. See where it goes in over there. Until we get a ladder over here and see if we can't do something. I can run down the house, get my yellow hose. I got a long yellow one, ain't got nothing on it. At least in the front finish. Big difference right here. From that to that. Had to go get some more hose. So we got 150 feet worth of hose now. Sidewalk's crooked and sinking, so it's making all that dirt go above it, so we're going to do the best we can with it. We got to fix these for sure. Have them guys come in with the airbags. Big difference just in that. They really need to fix this sidewalk. It's so slanted. All the water's just settling over there where all that dirt is. Dad being fancy. So we got the gutter undone and out of the way to get these vines out of here. All that wood up in there is ate up and rotted out. There's like nothing. I mean, it's hard to see this where I'm at, but let me see if I can get a better view on it. That's all rotted. Well, we got most of the vines down now. It's the ladders kind of, or the hanging gutters in the way.
You hear me?
Huh?
This is full of shit. It's gonna make it, we're gonna have to get something to reach up here and grab this and jerk it down, because if not, it's gonna hit me and knock me off this fucking ladder.
Alright, because the shit helps me with this right here.
I know, but I don't want to
Jesus.
see it jerking it down.
So, that piece that was hanging come over and hit the ladder. So, and this shows you how dangerous this kind of work is. So, stop trying to cut your handyman and stuff short on jobs. This isn't safe work all the time. That's getting it peeled off the brick. But the water's been getting, as you can see, there's like no wood up there at all under that underhang. And up around chimney, there's no wood. Like the space between the roof and the chimney where Dad's hand is all open. That's all completely open. So that water's not been going in that gutter. It's just been going down in that hole and behind the wood and everything. And all that is like bird nest or something inside there, and that's all rotted wood. Like it's pretty rough in this whole corner right here. I don't even know how that gutter was even up there really. Guess they had them just screwed into those posts sticking out right there. Hold on. All right, what? The mortar in the chimney?
Yeah, see?
All the mortar in the chimney's gone from all the water getting inside there.
Running down it.
Running down it
Washing
too.
the mortar
Washing over the gutters. All the mortar's getting washed away.
They need to remortar it. They're gonna keep it on there. They're ready to come out.
He's off the ladder. This is what it looks like from a distance. If you can see the top of the chimney up there once we took the gutter down. There was nothing up there. Nothing. At all. The gutter was just sitting there.
All the bricks are loose.
All that brick is loose and everything. And you can see like there's just a piece of the covering under there that fell down or whatever. But there's literally all the wood got rotted back there and everything. I bet you there's probably pieces of it that fell down in that chimney.
Yeah, and brick.
And brick. Because there's brick missing on the top too of the chimney, a whole little section. It's crazy.
Somebody put a piece.
So what happens when vines get up in here, they get in them gutters, and then all this water and rain we've been getting has just been washing in there. All right, well,
Everything else is
we
done.
got it all done here. All this side's cleaned up. We're gonna have to redo that whole roof section up there because that got all rotted out from the water. But everything's done over here at this house. Nice and clean now. This wasn't too long of a job neither. It cleaned up pretty well, pretty fast. Vines is what took the longest. It rained last night. That's all paint that peeled off down there where we pulled the vines. This is the front. Sidewalks. Look at that difference. You can clean the curb down. We clean our sidewalks. Clean our house all together. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I got as much working footage as we could. I had to go back and forth between two different places. But if you haven't hit the like and subscribe, please do that, and we'll see you next time.